Tanaka, just like that.
Yeah.
Very simple.
Yeah.
No wonder a lot of people say too good to be true.
Yeah.
Wah, sejuk ah. But no aircon. And no fan also. Macam mana boleh jadi lagi sejuk? Interesting lah this place. Oh, also not bad the temperature without aircon. So Tanaka, is this science fiction or what? No aircon, no fan. How can this room be so cold? Enough. Already full one.
Full?
Already full one.
You have to finish. If not, how I pour new tank for you?
Ayah.
You see? Then I can pour the new tea. New tea like new technology.
Why?
See? Yeah, because everybody already fulfill their own tea.
Oh.
Then if I have new tea, you cannot taste it. Same
Tea?
as the technology lah.
Okay.
The new technology in front of you, but if you don't throw away your old thinking, then how I tell you the new technology? Right?
Okay.
So many people like that. Right? So they always full of their own thinking.
Okay.
Right? So at the end, they cannot accept the new things.
Yeah.
So enjoy your new tea.
So new
Please
tea,
sit.
new
technology.
New technology.
Yes. Okay.
Tanaka.
Yeah.
Some say this is fiction, and then on the podcast they say the explanation tak meyakinkan. There's no science behind it.
Yeah.
So can we show to them the science behind Rebooz?
Yes. Sure. Then we have to go to the machine,
Okay.
right? Then I can show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yep. Go. That's it.
Huh? Tanaka, so simple lah. Just put inside this air intake like this ah.
Yes. This is all.
That's all.
Hydrogen.
How do I know this one is pure hydrogen or not?
Yeah. You see? My voice changing. You can hear my voice already, you know. You can try yourself. No chemical at all.
Okay. Oh, now my voice changed.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, so powerful.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, good for health.
Okay, sekarang I nak tunjuk the basic operation of this Rebooz CR3005 version 2. So basically kita just nak 3 perkara je. Number 1, you can see just power supply. Okay, number 2 kita just nak wifi. Okay, number 3 nak air. So air kita boleh ambil daripada guna hose macam ni lah, insert directly to the machine. So you nampak dekat atas screen ni kita ada wifi signal and then all the working parts untuk this machine. So this one I explain in another video lah. Okay, so basically this machine ada simple button je kat tepi ni, ada 2. Okay, and then kat sini pun ada 2 button juga. Itu saja untuk the operator. So every 10 minit kita pause untuk nak rev dia punya engine. So kita pause lah.
Okay guys, kat sini I nak share sikit an example of our results yang pernah kami buat dekat Quick Fit in the United Kingdom. We will show the before and after results in the combustion chamber.
Very clear, see? All the logo, you can see.
Yeah. Nice. So the light up.
Wow, so clear.
You can read the numbers.
Yeah, you can read the number.
Well, I'll send these over to Tim.
Okay, kepada sesiapa kat luar sana yang berminat untuk mendapatkan Rebooz mesin ini, okay, stay tuned for our next video. Kita akan tunjuk the feature of this Rebooz CR3005 version 2, and then you all boleh lihat that video and get to understand more about this Rebooz mesin. Kepada sesiapa yang berminat untuk join kita punya Rebooz team, anda boleh lihat dekat kita punya show note bawah tu ada kita punya email info@rebooz.my. Okay, so you can just submit your queries kat situ ataupun log into our website at www.rebooz.my. Kita ada butang operator kat atas, you all boleh apply. Okay, so like I said, this machine is very simple. Kita terbuka kepada sesiapa yang ada workshop kat luar sana. Okay, di seluruh negeri di Malaysia ni, kita mengalung-alungkan untuk you all to join us, join Rebooz, and together we can help to save the environment.